Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Anno 117 Pax Romana game, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So without wasting a time, let's jump to the fixes. The first solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Second solution is to clear Anno 117 Pax Romana's cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Anno 117 Pax Romana game and then highlight it. Then press menu and then select manage game and add-ons. Then click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile, and while deleting it, make sure you click delete from console when deleting. Solution 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage and then check if the problem is solved or not. Now if you don't see this clear persistent storage option in your consoles, then skip these solutions. Solution 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. Go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Then launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Solution 5 is to remove and re-add account. Go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account. After adding your account, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Solution 6 is to run Anno 117 Pax Romana from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. So type Anno 117 Pax Romana in the search bar and then click on it and then launch the game and check if this helps or not. Solution 7 is to switch internet connection. So if you're using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and then launch the game and check. If you're using a Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot and then check. If possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. You can also restart your Wi-Fi router or modem and then launch the game and check. Solution 8. Manually select port. Go to Xbox settings. In general tab, select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which one works for you. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings. In the general tab, select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in the secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 10 is to reinstall Anno 117 Pax Romana game. So if nothing seems to work, then last solution is to uninstall Anno 117 Pax Romana game from your Xbox. Then fresh reinstall it, then launch the game and check if it fixes your issues or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Anno 117 Pax Romana game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.